Hey guys, so in today's video is gonna be like a girly talk, mini girly talk, and I'm gonna be reviewing this wig that they sent me from Hairspells. And honestly, I don't know where I left the wig cap, so we're gonna have to work without a wig cap. So yeah, here's like the thing that came in. This is their our story, how to maintain and stuff like that. Then the wig comes inside here. The wig is like this orangish color, and these two strands in the front. So we're gonna have to like recurl this because I like tried to like comb it out and then I kind of messed up the curls. So we're gonna have to like recurl it, like the lace thing, and it comes with the clips and here to adjust from the back to the side. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and hopefully I can manage it to put it on without a wig cap because I do not have one and I do not know where I left them. Normally, like when I get wigs, I take out the wig caps and I put them away, which I do not know where I left it. So yeah, but I don't have like long hair, so my hair is like pretty short because I cut it. So yeah, I feel like we'll probably be able to do it without a wig cap, even though I might need one to keep my hair flat. But we're gonna go ahead and just lay my hair down, I guess. I need to go look for my brush now that I'm like thinking about it because my little brother took it, so gotta go get it. So be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm back with my brush that my little brother always takes my brushes. I don't know why. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this, and also we're gonna have a mini girly talk because I feel like a lot of my girls need like a bit of advice in life, and I can share like what has helped me. And normally all the stuff are on my phone because I write things down for myself and save things for myself, which I learned from, which I don't even know where I left it because it's somewhere here. So I'm probably just gonna give you guys a few tips here and there. I'm just gonna grab some of this, and yeah, so these are like tips that has helped me in the past because there's a point in time where boys didn't matter at all to me, and it was because of this. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna use this because I don't want to I think I'm just gonna put some of this on my head so I don't have to deal with taking that out, because this, I don't know what's about this, but ooh, it's hard to take on my head. So all right, I'm gonna be looking down at my phone, okay, and down towards this mirror because that's where I'm gonna be looking at for taking out my hair. All right, so first things first is do not let any boy come into your life and mess it up. And by that is do not let a boy walk into your life for like 3 weeks or less or more, you never know. But mainly, like, I know boys just being in a girl's life for a little bit. And this has nothing to do with relationships. This is more of like when you're talking to somebody, which I don't have much experience with in the past years, but this is like from way back. So yeah, do not let a boy just walk into your life and say that he likes you, this and that, and then you end up finding out that he's talking to other people, and you just like you drop everything for him. You don't want to do that because honestly, why are you gonna drop everything? And I know it might sound dumb, but some of you guys watching has probably done that. Some people may not done that, but girls seem to fall fast for guys sometimes, and then they find out that the guy wasn't being so truthful and things like that, and once they leave, the girl just feels like shit, and then they don't decide to boss up. Instead of bossing up girls, sometimes they just give up, but you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to boss up on them, like show them what they're missing out on, you know, show them that they fucked up. Is you just don't want to let somebody walk in your life and then you find out that they weren't so truthful, or they weren't it, you know, they fucked up, they were fucking around. You don't want to just, you know, drop everything and lower yourself because of that. If they walk out your life, they hurt you, take a day, cry as much as you want, but after that day or night, forget about it, move on. Because why are you gonna cry for somebody who has left your life for somebody else, or left your life not caring about you? Move on, because honestly, some boys ain't shit. Some boys ain't shit, okay? So yeah, next thing is, you don't want to be treated average. If you're with somebody who's treating you average, they not it. Because if somebody is really into you, if someone really loves you, and this is like more into like you guys are talking for like a month or so, if they're treating you like a princess since the start, then that's just great. But don't let it fool you, because sometimes guys do that and then you fall for them and then you start changing. So don't fall too quick. Yeah, but if you're like barely talking to them and they're treating you like somebody average, and they replying like hella late, you know, just take it as a sign as they're not really serious. So do not put your 100. If you really want to talk to this person, yeah, you can go ahead and talk to them still, but just don't put your full on 100, you know. Just don't put your all into it, because there's really no point into putting your all if they're not putting their all. They're like over here taking long to reply. I know sometimes people can reply fast, but if it's like during times like this where we're just stuck at home and they don't have a job, or you don't have nothing to do, like deadass, they have nothing to do, and they still take forever to reply, then they're really just like not into you maybe. And sorry to say, but they're probably not, unless they're on the game or something. But if someone's really into you, if somebody really loves you or really likes you or is really into you, really wants something with you, they're gonna take the time to text you back. You know, they're gonna take the time to talk to you. Her thing of like texting back. I know there's a few people that don't like texting, but at the same time, you gotta understand, like from my point of view and shit, I dislike texting. I didn't like texting for shit. Like if people knew me as like, she's not gonna reply, because I'm dead ass not gonna reply, because I'm not a texter. I don't like texting. It's just not my thing. I had stopped texting because I found it that it's less problematic, you know. Like especially during school, like people texting you right after school talking about some drama, you know. I don't want to bring that home, so then I just like stopped texting. But then you know, I met my boyfriend, and then from there I started texting. I even told him, I was like, I really, like in the beginning, I was like, I don't like texting, I don't like FaceTiming, I don't like doing this, I don't like doing that, because I was being straight up, like I didn't like it. I really liked him, so things started changing. I started texting faster, I started texting him back, I started even FaceTiming, and I was like, that's not me, you know. I mean, he even noticed, because he's like, I thought you didn't like it, and I was like, I don't, but for you, that's something else. So if somebody doesn't text you back or doesn't take the time, I mean, this is just from my point of view, this is my opinion, my thoughts on this, then they're probably not that into you, you know. Because if I wasn't really into him, then I would have not been texting, I would have been FaceTiming, I would have been none. I mean, I would have been texting, but like hours like later. This is like more of not being bothered, being unbothered and stuff like that. Being unbothered, honestly, is like you first have to start with loving yourself, but that's a whole different topic. How am I gonna do this? Okay, I wish I really had a bald cap, because this is, I still need to I need to fix this up hella, because I kind of bothered. You just gotta focus on yourself. You cannot be focusing on other people. Like if you like something, if you like doing something, do it. Do not think of like what other people, or care about what other people are gonna say about it. Just do it. Because honestly, when I started YouTube and I started all of this, a lot of people doubted me, a lot of people judged me, a lot of people talked about me, and thank God I didn't quit, because on a lot of like opportunities and stuff. So if I were to be the one to like probably care about people's opinion, then I probably would have never been here. I would have never got to like work with big brands, you know. So honestly, just do what you want, do what you want, and do not care about anybody. If you want to start your own business, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to start something, just do it. Honestly, do it, because I have balls enough to talk about you. So it just makes no type of sense. People are just very messy and people just like to bring down others, which is honestly not it. Honestly, I do not know why people like to do that. I mean, I've never been a type to bring people down. Honestly, I've just never been in much drama. I don't even know how I was brought in drama, but it was mainly like over dumb things or over like boys and shit like that I didn't even know existed. So honestly, just don't care about what people think, because honestly, they'll just find something to try to bring you down with them, you know? So now we're just gonna start curling it. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and curl this up because honestly it needs a bit of style. I don't want to get too close to my neck because I don't want to burn my neck. You know what, I'm gonna have to. Like the final results for this hair, I know I could have done better if I had a wig cap and the actual glue. I had to only use this only because this is all I had, and I really couldn't go out to the store because it's closed the ones nearby me. So honestly, look at the curls. So in the description I will have their website and this wig under. The final look, and yeah, until next time, bye guys.